The Solid Fold 2.0 is an easy-to-use tri-folding cover with the strength and protection of a hardcover. Its black matte finish matches your truck's bed caps for an integrated look. To open the cover, simply drop the tailgate, release the Easy Lock clamps, and fold the cover forward. When the cover is closed and the tailgate locked, your cargo is secure. Extang has torture tested the Solid Fold 2.0 to ensure it stands the test of time. The EnduraShield panels resist denting, are cool to the touch, and will not fade. It can be installed or removed in just a few minutes without tools. We custom tailor each Solid Fold 2.0 to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. For security, reliability, and protection, Extang your truck.